So today I'd like to show you the easiest way how to quickly create a manual quote. So we're going to go into our quotes window and click create, and I'm going to pick a registration that we've already had in our shop before, 6666, and now it locates that vehicle and it pulls in all the information, tells you what the customer is. Yes, it's in customer, except for the kilometers, because that will obviously be new now. Once we get to starting, we've entered all the header information and we get to starting to for the quote detail lines, you need to leave your mouse alone. That's the best and the most efficient way of doing it. So I start off with a mouse click, and then from there on, I'm going to just use my tab and keyboard. So after I've done my action is replace, there's a whole bunch of shortcut keys which you can customize, and I'll show you how to do that now. But in the meantime, we're going to enter FB, which is a shortcut for front bumper, and it automatically fills in front bumper. And I'm going to pick my supplier, and I'm going to hit enter. At this point, I haven't touched my mouse. I'm always just using my keypad. Down key for the type. So you get a triple X, and then you click tab again, tab, and it's only quantity of 1. The cost price is 2.5. If there's some stripping and assembly, we can enter our stripping and assembly. And if there's some painting, which there probably will be for a bumper, we'll enter the value of the bumper. When I press enter, it automatically creates a new line. And I can either, with the same action and location, I can either stick with that, or I can use my shortcut key. So REM is remove and refit. And then I can obviously use other shortcut keys for location and description. If I enter something that hasn't been used before and I press tab, it takes me to my location. So if I wanted JK to be something, then I could create a shortcut for that. In the meantime, I'm going to just use my left fender, and I'm going to an hour. And at no point have I actually used the mouse, but I'm just using the tab keys. Enter, and basically you would carry on, keep going using the shortcut keys. The best is to set up your shortcut keys right at the beginning so that you can easily create the lines that you want to create. And then once you're finished, then you click OK. I'm using my mouse now, and off you go. So so the bottom line is the best is just stick with the keyboard, use the shortcut keys, and then you can very rapidly create quotes in that way.